the project life cycle. Every project, whether big or small, goes through a life cycle. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with planting the seed, initiating, then you water it and ensure it gets enough sunlight, planning and executing, prune it as it grows, monitoring and controlling, and finally enjoy the fruits, closing. Initiation, this is where the project begins. You identify the project's goals, define the scope, and secure approval to move forward. For example, a company might initiate a project to develop a new product to meet market demand. Planning during this phase, detailed plans are made. You'll determine the resources needed, create timelines, set milestones, and assign tasks. Using our earlier example, planning would involve figuring out what resources, materials, personnel, technology are needed to develop the product. Execution, now it's time to put the plan into action. Teams start working on their assigned tasks and the project manager ensures everything stays on track. In our scenario, this would be the actual development of the product, with teams working together to bring the concept to life. For monitoring and controlling, this phase runs concurrently with execution. The project manager monitors the progress, makes adjustments as needed, and ensures that the project stays within scope, time, and budget. It's like refining a design, tweaking features, incorporating feedback, or adjusting the roadmap to ensure the final product perfectly aligns with user needs and expectations. 5. Closing. Once the project objectives are met, it's time to wrap things up. This involves handing over deliverables, releasing project resources, and conducting a post-mortem to learn from the experience. In our product development example, this would be the product launch and gathering feedback for future improvements.